We don't know what's happening right now. This is 2 cups of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And this is what you do to make powdered sugar. This is all going to be blended up to make powdered sugar, because this is what you do when you don't know where your powdered sugar is and you could swear that you purchased it and you have no idea where in good gravy it is gone. And then you put this on like this, and then you start it up really loud. Unveiling. Ooh. Ah. 5 minutes later and 1 headache later, you have powdered sugar. Hopefully. Is that powdered sugar? It's pretty powdery. Still has some grainy sound to it. I don't know.
We're gonna try it.
We'll try it. This will be good enough. And so before you put it into your cake mix stuff, you want to always make sure that you used sugar instead of use salt, because that's what we have right here. 2 big things of powdered salt, because that's what we do. So there you have it, folks. Powdered sugar. This one's brought to you by an Ask Your Tech Savvy sister. What in the heck am I gonna use powdered salt for? I should probably taste test just to let you guys know how it ended up. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. No, that's pretty grainy. Oh, well. Well, now you know. Don't do that.